Hi, I'm Alison McKay, one of the analysts here at IG, and I'd like to talk to you today, Thursday the 3rd of October, I guess about comments that came out of America yesterday, the current state of the markets and where we might be going the tail end of this week and next week. Well, I guess the major driving points are, of course, yesterday the Italian Prime Minister, Mr. Letta, had a resounding vote of confidence from the Italian Senate, which very much helped round off a day which had seen the FTSE MIB, the Italian index, show some considerable amounts of volatility. Certainly the start of today has been considerably calmer, no real surprise there, and Silvio Berlusconi's efforts to disrupt things yesterday ultimately came to nothing. I guess it does bring into question what the political lifespan of Silvio Berlusconi is. It should be pointed out, of course, that he's managed to effectively reincarnate himself a number of times, so that could well play out for some time to come. So the Italian market's a little bit quieter today, with Germany having a bank holiday as well. We should see volumes maybe a little bit quieter, and I guess the volatility on the back of that as well, just a touch quieter too. Over in America, after the UK markets and European markets had closed, President Barack Obama did state in an interview with CNBC that he could understand why markets would be worried about the lack of ability of the Republicans and Democrats to reach an agreement as far as the US government shutdown is concerned. Does beg the question, of course, that if the US president is saying that markets should fall away on the back of issues, political issues, is that some sort of self-fulfilling prophecy? Certainly the future indication looking ahead is weaker in all the major US indices. And I guess the real question here is how much of the market have we seen factoring in not just the US government shutdown, but considerably more importantly, the debt ceiling. Now, the closer we get towards that sort of mid-October, end of October deadline, when it's anticipated that the US will hit this, the more we might see markets begin to discount this. Interesting to see that gold once again is back above that 1300 level. Be interesting to see if the sort of fear factor might drive that a touch higher as we get ever closer. The ramifications of this, of course, are going to be that if they can't get themselves sorted out, if they do hit the debt ceiling, they will then default on their debt, which of course would see the debt rating agencies discount them across the board. Certainly something you wouldn't want to see, and it does feel very much like a school ground tiff that's going on between these two political parties, and the bigger economic picture as far as the country is concerned is, at this point in time, certainly being ignored. These are all things to watch out for. It'll be interesting to see how it pans out. Also worth noting, of course, that this week China have been on holiday, bank holidays there across the board. So next week could well be quite a bit more interesting, and certainly volume should pick up as well. For all of this and further analysis, please go to IG's website, www.ig.com. Thank you.